Hey guys, with you Mr. Abdelrahman Ahmed, your math teacher. Welcome. It's my pleasure to be with you again. Our lesson today is very easy, so let's start. We're gonna talk about repeated multiplication. The heading of our lesson is describing itself. We have learned before the repeated multiplication in the set of integer numbers. Okay, let's take this example. 2 to the power 4, or we can read it as 2 to the index 4. This index or power, it means that the base 2 multiplied by itself. Yes, bravo. 4 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 4 times. Also, if we have a rational number that contains a fraction like 2 over 3 here in our case, all this number to the power 3. It means that the base, which is our rational number 2 over 3, multiplied by itself 3 times. 2 over 3 times 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. 3 times. Why 3? Because our power here is 3. So if our power here or our index here is 4 or another number, we will multiply the base by itself, the number written here above it. And we can reduce it by multiply all the numerator by each other's. 2 times 2 times 2, you will get 2 to the power 3, and 3 times 3 times 3 equals 3 to the power 3. It also equals 2 to the power 3 equals 8, bravo, over 3 to the power 3. It means 3 times 3 times 3 equals, yes, bravo, 27. Remember that the number contains a fraction like 2 over 3 belongs to the set of rational numbers. In the previous example, we learned how repeated multiplication works in the set of integer numbers. And this example shows us how the repeated multiplication works in the set of rational numbers. From the previous, we deduce that if a over b is a rational number and n is a positive integer, then a over b all to the power n equals a over b times a over b times a over b, and so on to n times. It reads as a over b to the power n, and this means a over b to the power n. We can distribute the power over the numerator and the denominator like this: a to the power n and b to the power n. Remarks. We have here some remarks. Note that number 1, if a over b is a rational number, then a over b to the power 0 equals 1, where a not equal to 0. Okay, let's go back to the previous example. Notice that if any number in the world has no power or index, it already has a power, and this power is 1, and we don't write it for simplifying. In our case here, 2, its power is 1, and here also there is a 1. Also here there is a 1. When we multiply, we will add the powers. So we will write 2 to the power and add the powers. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it will be 2 to the power 4. Notice that when we multiply, we add the powers if we have the same bases. Okay, let's get back to the second remark. If a over b is a rational number and m is a positive integer, then if we have a negative rational number to the power m, we have two cases to this number m. When m is even number, so this negative will be cancelled, and when m is odd number, this negative sign will be remain. Okay, we have here some examples. Complete the following. The multiplicative inverse of the number 3 over 5 all to the power 0 equals, yes, take your time. Bravo! The next question. The multiplicative inverse of the number -1 all to the power 3 is, focus. Multiplicative inverse. Yes, bravo, -1. Question number 3. The additive inverse of the number -3 over 5 all to the power 2 is additive inverse to the number that added to our number to get 0. So we need the number here. If we added it to our number, we have our number here, -3 over 5 all to the power 2. This number added to what? To give you 0. Bravo. -3 over 5 all to power 2. Because this number is to the power 2 and power 2 is even, so it will cancel this negative sign. If a over b all to power 2 multiplied by b to the power 2 over a to power 2, this will equals where a and b not equal to 0. That will equals, yes, bravo, we can distribute the power over the numerator and denominator and operate the multiplicative operation. This a power 2 will be reduced to this one, and b power 2 also will be reduced to this one, so our answer here will be 1. Bravo. Next question. -3 over 5 all to power 3 multiplied by -25 over 27 equals, excellent, 1 over 5. 5 over 9 all to the power 0 equals, bravo, 1. Any number in the world to the power 0 equals 1. -1 over 7 all to power 2. Bravo. -100 over 9 all to the power x equals 1. So x equals 0. Bravo. The multiplicative inverse of -12 all to power 0 equals, bravo, equals 1. Excellent. 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x. It means 3 times 3 to the power x. This means when we multiply, we add the powers. 3 times 3 to the power x, our index here is 1. So our answer will be 3 to the power 1 plus x. Bravo! Now it's time for your homework. Please solve page 4 from your math book. Thank you.